Hi everyone, this video is about my garden, how it looked in the month of June 2020. This is a red rose, baby's breath. I sowed some seeds. This is double delight rose. This is the fifth year of this plant. This is another, its name is Love, fifth year of this plant. It blooms every year. This is a Floribunda rose, 5 years old. New dawn climbing rose. This is the second season of its blooming. This is, I took a picture of north east view. This is a pretty rose of many petals, but it has no fragrance. Very pretty, blooms a lot. This is petunia. It is annual, every year you have to plant it. This is a yellow rose I tried this year. This is California poppy. Last year I planted. This is red rose of Saron. I transplanted to this place. This is European beach, purple fountain. This is wisteria. Last year I planted. This is the first bloom of that plant. This is the California poppy. I never saw poppy plant before. This is the first year I have tried and I am seeing. This is a climbing rose. Somehow it is not tall enough. And this is a peony. This is the third year of this plant. This is spirea. It was already here when we moved to this house. This spirea. The iris I planted, it wasn't there. This is a pink color peony. One of my friend gifted me on Mother's Day 4 years ago. And this is orange color Floribunda rose, 5th year. This is a grafted rose. It was originally some other color, but somehow. This is the wisteria plant. Last year I planted. This year I gave him a support. This is a clematis I tried this year. This is the California poppy. This is dianthus planted this year. This is a double delight rose, 5 years old. I didn't give enough compost, that's why they don't perform as they are supposed to. This is a hosta. I have a good collection of hosta. This is peony, magenta. It was written red, but it blooms magenta color each year. They are fragrant, heavily fragrant. This is pink peony. This is the 4th year of this peony. So this year I did not give it support to try how it will look. But the magenta color is 3rd year. When I got the pink peony, I didn't know it has a heavy fragrant. So when I planted the pink one, then next year I added this magenta one, and last year I have added few more. So this year I may get few more color of peony. This is the climbing rose. Somehow it is not tall enough because of its clay soil. This is my gala apple. Last spring I planted. Um, this is the grafted rose that doesn't bloom the color that was in the tag. My pink peony. So because I did not give any support stick to the branch of these flowers, so the stem they fell down. This is my hosta. This is wisteria. Hosta. This is, I think, Big Daddy, the name of that hosta. This is some, I'll make a separate video for all these hosta. I have a big collection. This is the peony in the initial days of their blooming. This is again, I think, Patriot hosta. This is, it was written Minuteman, but the leaf looks some different. This is the climbing rose. It was weeping Norway spruce. And this is a viburnum. It was already in the property before we moved. This is a golden lights azalea I planted this year. It is new. This is a purple columbine. I think orange marmalade its name. This hosta name. This is newly planted this year. And this is another color columbine. This is a rhododendron. It was already in the property when we moved. This is few iris. This is salvia. This is a hibiscus, which is not hardy. The salvia I planted last year. This is the second season of this salvia. It blooms a lot. This iris is 4 years old. Blue iris. I have good collection of iris. I'll make a separate video about iris and hosta. Here just I'm showing. This is a Dutch iris. I'm just showing how it bloomed every month and every week. This is a new azalea I have planted this year. This is California poppy. This is dianthus. Again California poppy. This is hardy in our zone. They can survive the winter. I just mulched last winter and they survived. This year also I see the leaves are still green, though heavy snow 2 times in our area. This is peony. So I'm happy about the California poppy. This is petunia. Salvia, which blooms a beautiful blue salvia. May night. Thank you.